Tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reverse a string in JavaScript in 5 easy steps. So let's get started. Step 1, we need to have a string of some kind. So here I've just assigned a very simple string to the variable s, and so far so good. Step 2, we're going to use the spread operator to create an array of characters. So this is the spread operator right here. So I'm doing ... my variable inside of square brackets, and that will generate an array of individual characters. Now that we have an array, for step 3, we can use the reverse method to literally flip that array from back to front. Okay, so now we have an array of these characters in the order that we want them to. And now for our fourth and final step, we need to recombine that array of characters back into a single string. So to do that, we tack on the .join method. You'll notice here that we have a blank string. Don't be fooled, that is not a space. That's just literally quote, quote. And that recombines it into a single string. As an optional fifth step, if you want that change to be permanent, you need to assign it to a variable because it's just it's not an in-place change. So it's just something that's kind of done on the fly. So here, we've made that change permanent by reassigning it to the variable s. And that is how to reverse a string in less than 2 minutes. If you like this stuff, subscribe to the channel and let me know what you want to see more of, what kind of tutorials. And as always, thanks for stopping by.